Today we're going to unbox and look at a Aula F75 mechanical keyboard. I've never used a mechanical keyboard, so this will be an experience for me. The Aula F75 comes with 3 connection modes. You can connect Bluetooth, wireless, or USB-C wired. You can tell by the feel of it that it's really heavy-duty construction. This will really take a beating. It's got the PCB hot swappable sockets for the keyboard, LEO Bog Reaper switches, side printed BBT keyscapes. I have a box full of Logitech keyboards and mice. I've never been really happy with them. They work great for about a year and then they kind of peter out. I'm real impressed with the weight of this one, and you can see here are the 3 different connections, the Bluetooth, the wired. Comes with a USB to USB-C cable, and it comes with a keyboard removal tool as well as a few spare keyboard caps. Now we're going to go over to the Bluetooth setup on a MacBook Pro M1. You want to go to the Apple settings, and from there you're going to click Bluetooth, and you're going to wait for it to show up under nearby devices. There it is, and as soon as it's really connected, it'll show the name, and go ahead and click connect. And then you follow the keyboard assistant. Identify your keyboard, just follow the prompts, and it'll show you how to set everything up. And when you're finished, you click done, and there is your keyboard. You're ready to go. I've been very, very happy with the keyboard. I even went back and bought the mouse to match it. So this is definitely a high-quality product, and I would say leaps and bounds better than the Logitech keyboards and mice that I was used to. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.